is a very cute my cat. This is my pet. He is purring. He likes to play with sand. He just tumbled. He's very scary, but he is very active. No, don't bite me. I will punish him by putting deep into his mouth. He looks surprised. Aren't you playing? You're playing? Why? Ow! Wait. I have ripped him. Wait a minute. I'm carrying him so you can watch. Here. I finally no. I finally stop biting me. I'll punish him by no. He will quiet. Be quiet. He's a bad cat. That's for punishment. I'm hitting. Be quiet. Ow! I'm stomping him, but he's biting me more stronger. Here is a cat grave. He's dead now. No, he's alive. Something is moving. Oh, sorry. Here is. Look. Here is my cat. Boom, boom, boom.